So check it out. I am trying to not talk real loud. I really have a bad thing about talking loud. So I am trying to use my inside voice. I used to tell my son that, my younger son, use your inside voice. And here I am using my outside in, right? So I am being consistent, like I said I would this year. And I just finished an open house today. Actually, this was day 2 of the same open house from what I did on yesterday, my sister and I. And had a great day today. Yesterday, the weather was terrible. It was cold. Not that it's not cold today. And as y'all can see, it's a beautiful day today because the sun is in my eyes. But I'm loving the sun. But yesterday, it was terrible. It rained. It actually stormed. We had like either a tornado warning or something, but I just know the signs kept falling, balloons went everywhere, and nobody came to the open house, which that was okay, because I'm always about, hey, let's turn this, what we think may be a negative, into a positive. So being that I had my sister there, I was like, hey, listen, let's go ahead and do a video, girls. So since the people are not coming here, let's take the house to the people, right? And so we did a tour of the home, and I, talked about the home and everything. And I was yelling the whole time. I was just like, oh my God, if I yell, if I was watching a video, I probably wouldn't watch that either. But we had people watching it though, because it worked. Because after that, you know how some people go live? Like, don't go live, because it could be blurred, video and all of that. I have my camera because I have my cell phone, but I have a camera, right? And we did the video, and then after we left the open house, we did some running around, and because we were ready for that rain yesterday too, because she and I both had on our rain boots and I know I had on my rain jacket with a hood, and we just had a ball. We had her grandbaby with us, so we just went shopping, went and grabbed something to eat. They went and got haircuts, and then we ended up going to Publix and buying some food, some comfort food. If y'all from the South, y'all know what comfort food is. And came home and just chilled out for the rest of the evening. So then I started getting these beeps about, people wanting to see the property. And I was just like, yes, yes, yes. Open houses still work, guys. And so we had a couple of them come through while we were there today, which was great because the weather was beautiful. And then had a showing afterwards. And so fingers crossed, because that home show just impeccable, right? And all the people that said that they wanted it, I hope they send us an offer, right? So today, just getting on here again and just kind of checking in with y'all, and again, staying accountable to myself. Y'all, I'm super proud of myself because I have been intentional about doing the things that I said I was going to do. And I'm telling you, at this big old ripe age I'm at, it happens. You can get distracted. I know I do. And so I'm just so excited that I'm staying on task, right? So I'm at home. As y'all can see, I have some offers on some other with buyers that I was working with that I need to take care of. It's been a busy January already. It has been busy, and I'm loving that. I'm loving that. And I know I told y'all when I came back on the scene on this platform that I was going to be traveling more. So this week I really got to get things done because we're traveling, and we're going to be gone for like 8 or 9 days. Yeah, 8 days. Yeah, I think it's 8 days for sure. And so y'all know how it is when you're getting ready to go. As a business owner, that's the one thing that, just make sure that I'm wrapped up, with all my clients that I'm working with, and letting them know, if we can get some offers in, let's do it. Let's get people under contract. Let's get homes on the market, all of that good stuff. And then I can be able to go and just relax, right? So this week is going to be push to get things done. I'm still going to be consistent doing my videos, and I'm going to stay consistent while I'm on vacation. I am. Watch me. Stay tuned. If you like what I'm saying, if you want to keep, hold me accountable, you be accountable as well. Watch the videos. Give me a thumbs up, right? Hit that subscribe button, right? So I am going to be doing my videos while I'm away on vacation. It's not going to be all about, work at all, but I'm going to still talk to y'all about work. Love it. So I'm going to go ahead and get off of this video. so I can go ahead and get some work done, so I can go get in the bed early, because I do want to start early in the morning, because I am going to walk. Weather permits, I'm going to get up and go walk. But if it's under 30 degrees in the morning, which I think it is, I'm probably not going to walk. Ain't that much walking in the world. Or I may go to the shopping center, the malls, and go walk. But anyway, y'all ain't come to listen to all that, right? Y'all ain't here to listen to all that. So I am LaTrasha. I'm a real estate broker here in the state of Georgia, as well as in Alabama. And I'm also a mortgage loan originator, which means that not only can I get you into the home, I can also help you with your funding to get the home, right? This is, I want to be very transparent. Y'all see who I am. I'm not always going to talk real estate and loans, because I'm so much more than what I do, right? So if you're here for the first time, don't let it be your last time. I'd like to see you again. And in the meantime, I'll see you guys later.